Hi, and welcome to Petersville Farm. Well, I have the pineapple prepped. Taken off is the pineapple top. I am going to be transplanting the top in a pot of soil. And so now today I'm going to proceed to peel the pineapple. It's all washed. I washed it in a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Ideally, since the pineapple is homegrown, I feel comfortable using the peels to make a drink. Now, the pineapple fruit is not only delicious, but it potentially has several health benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, it's rich in vitamins A and C, it's an immune system booster, and it prevents coughs and colds. It's also said to strengthen the bones. So now I'm going to peel it, make sure all the skin comes off, the top, the bottom, the sides, and then I'll proceed to do the slicing. And from the slicing, I will have it refrigerated for a little bit and serve it chilled. So, another thing is that the pineapple peel is something most of us usually throw away. But today, with the pineapple peel, I'll be doing a pineapple lemonade drink. And with this, I could, I'm not adding this today, but you could also add some mint or spearmint. That will make a great addition to this drink. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I have the skins ready to go. I already have 2 cups of water in the pot. I am going to transfer the skins, and I'm going to, in the pot, I already have 2 cups of water. So here I transfer the skins, and then I'm going to add an additional 2 cups of water. And then I'll be boiling the contents on the stove for 20 minutes. So here it is boiling. And some boil these as long as 2-3 hours. But as mentioned, I'll be using 20 minutes. Now is also an excellent time to add sugar and add based on your liking. It will dissolve well during this time. So here now it's cooling. I have it cool. I'll wait until it's cooling before I proceed to do the straining. You could strain with the regular strainer, or you could use the cheesecloth. So here proceed to do the filter. This is the strainer that I'm using. Okay, and so I'm going to have it strained as shown here. Once I am through with the straining, I'm going to add a few slices of lemon. Now prior I've also squeezed some lemon juice into the mixture already. So I added, I'm adding about 4 to 5 lemons. You could also add more if desired. And there you go. Here is the pineapple lemon drink. This is the pineapple top 6 days later. It has adjusted well. It will be joining the others in the greenhouse for the overwinter, and we'll see where it goes from there. So thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe. Thank you.